All right, this is Jose Schmidt with Hair Transplants of Florida. After taking care of so many thousands of patients to get their hair back, today is my day to do a touch-up. We have a great team I'm very happy with. We have Dr. Bada, we have Ellie, Niurka, and Brianne as the medical team, and I know I'm in the best hands. So we're going to be doing the touch-up. I'll be coming back and forth with different tidbits of how the procedure is going. I think we're going to get approximately 2,000 grafts to touch up the frontal area and a little bit in the crown. So hang in there. We'll be coming to you throughout the day, let you know how the process is doing. So you can share this with all your friends, especially those that are have lost their hair and looking at getting their hair back but are a little bit hesitant. Well, today they're going to learn it's not anything that's very painful at all. It's a comfortable procedure if it's done by the right team. And I'm excited about getting more here. So stay tuned, and we'll talk through the day. Take care.